This is Dinakar. I am working as a lead consultant in one of the MNCs. I am a real-time consultant, and I am also giving this kind of trainings online in my free times. So basically, what do we understand by SAP quality management? So the definition of the quality management can be fitness for purpose, means any item, if it is fitting for my purpose, that we can consider as a quality product. Now to go with this SAP quality management demo, let us start with this slide. The slide shows a manufacturing company symbol. Now a quality man is standing there. Now the agenda will be about quality. Example, inspection of raw materials. SFG means semi-finished goods, FG means finished goods, service and audit. So inspection can happen for raw materials which are incoming, SFG which are in process, FG which are finished product or finished goods, or it can be also done for services, or it can be also audition, like auditing any departments for records, for proper maintenance of records. Now the organization structure, importance of all modules and their roles, SD, MM, PP, QM, PM, FICO, and quality management in SAP will have master data, that is quality view. Whenever we are creating material master, we have to choose quality view, and we have to set an inspection time, whether it is incoming or in process or final. Then we have to create MICs, that is master inspection characteristics. These master inspection characteristics can be quantitative or qualitative. Quantitative means measurable, qualitative means we say okay, not okay. So quantitative can be height, weight, breadth. Qualitative can be color, order, so on. The sampling procedures, selected set and catalog. So sampling procedures means out of 100, how many you want to check and accept the lot. Selected set and catalog are the characteristics which we have to define for mainly qualitative MICs, master inspection characteristics. Means if it is between 10 to 20, what will be your action? If it is above than range, then what you will do? All those things will be defined in selected set and catalog. Now after you have master data created, then we have to plan, that is inspection plan. In this inspection plan, we will define what are the characteristics you will be measuring for those raw materials or semi-finished or finished, with respect to which work center and all. Now execution. So inspection lot is generated, either it can be generated manually or automatically. So what is manual, what is automatic means? Automatic means when you purchase, like person when he is doing MIGO, a lot get generated. A PP person when he is releasing the production order, a lot get generated. Or when he is moving the product to storage location, then it is called final inspection. So once the lot is generated, we will do results recording and then we do usage decision. So why use results recording and usage decisions? Results recording is whatever we are noticing, we will record. Usage decision means we are accepting the lot. So sometimes if the limit is 10 to 20 and if it is crossing 20 and if the value is coming 20.009, 009 is a negligible, so it all depends upon the manager whether he can accept the lot. Still if it is slightly more than the higher limit. So in the usage decision you will accept the lot. Now organizational structure. This is the general organizational structure. Whenever SAP is getting implemented, the finance and MM guys, they will create this organizational structure like company, company code and plants. So company can be, you can just imagine that your main company is at US and it is operating in other countries like China, India, Japan, and under India you have so many plants. Similarly, you can have so many plants under China, so many plants under Japan. Now, importance of all modules. So to run any business, we require all these modules. SD means this gets order from the market and see that it is delivered. Material management means this looks into procurement of required materials, maintains stocks by GA and GR. Production planning, this looks into production of the FG for the required order quantity. Quality management, this looks into quality of incoming, in process, and before dispatch of the material for order. Plant maintenance is, this looks into maintenance of machine equipment to give maximum efficiency to give good output. Finance and control, this looks into creation of company code, plan, maintain cost centers, profit centers for financial accounting in the organization. Basically, I teach this PP, QM, and PM. So whenever SAP is getting implemented in any of the company, we will list out all the materials, like how many materials they are using as raw materials, SFG, or finished goods. Maybe they may be having 1 lakh raw materials, but they may not be doing all materials quality inspection. So whatever the raw material they are doing quality inspection, they will list out. Similarly, they will list out semi-finished. Similarly, they will list out finished goods. So in SAP, material type is ROH for raw material, SFG, HALB, FG, FERT. Similarly, how many inspection types they are using? Like if it is incoming, 01. If it is in process, 03. If it is final, 04. Like that, there are so many other inspection types which we will be learning. Now basically there are these 8 steps we may need to follow in each scenario. So activation of quality view for the material for inspection means which inspection type, whether it is incoming, in process, final, we will activate in the quality management view while creating material master. Creation of master inspection characteristics, that is QS21. This you can create as qualitative or quantitative. Then maintain catalog, selected set, sampling procedure, then inspection plan, creation of inspection lot, results recording, and usage decision. So other than these, there are new topics like statistical control charts. Here we study the process of machine. How best your machine is performing, you will check with this statistical control chart. So you are not only checking the quality of the product, you are also checking the performance of the machine with respect to this quality statistical control charts. Now usually the contents which I will be covering in this module are SAP overview, general discussion about SAP and its importance, organization structure, company code, plant, quality setup at plant level, quality setup at client level. So what is the landscape, what is the architecture they use, all these things I will be explaining each and everything. Now overview of QM in domain industries, role of QM in supply chain. So master data of, we will start creating everything this one in SAP system. So creation of material master, activation of material with quality view, master inspection characteristic, quantitative, qualitative, edit catalog, selected set, sampling procedure, sampling scheme. Then we create inspection plan, assigning a master inspection characteristic, creation of inspection log, results recording, usage decision. So various industrial scenarios, these are the some of the industrial scenarios which mostly it will be used for quality inspection purposes, like incoming inspection, in process inspection, final inspection, service inspection, audit inspection, calibration, physical sample, direct assignment of MICs to material, defect notification, statistical process control charts, and quality certificates. So all these items I will be creating each and every scenario before you, and I will also see if you people are following it by checking in before next day class. So how you are following the processes. So for all these processes I will do before you in SAP, and how you have to practice that also I will be showing you, and I have Word document with screenshot which I will be providing you after the class. Then addition to that, there are other contents like factory calendar, configuration, SAP project implementation, how the project implementation will be done, support processor for SAP in a real time. If it is implementation project, how ASAP methodology is used. If it is support project, how we acknowledge priority of tickets, acknowledge solution, all these things I will be showing you. Now, this would be my contact details. Dinakar. It is Indian code 9198857663. Skype is himbuj. Mail ID is also same. Duration will be completion of course content with respect to grasping of individual. So no time limit. If you are completing within a week, it is your grasping. It may take 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or maximum 30 days, 30 classes. And I will also provide document with screenshots. And after each class, I will be evaluated by assigning assignments by making student also to create on their own and run scenarios. Fees can be paid in 2 installment. Fees is 500 USD, which we can negotiate. 2 months free server access will be provided. Later on, it can be hired. I just want to show one scenario with respect to Word documents. See, the material is quality. I told you the quality management view has to be selected. In this quality management view, there will be an inspection setup. You have to double click and maintain inspection type, whether if it is 01 or 03, and then you will click on active. Then I told you creation of master inspection characters in QS21. If it is quantitative, you create length and you will specify what should be my lower limit, what should be my upper limit, like 20 and 10 and 20. Then catalog, I told you how to create catalogs like length between 10 to 20, length above 20, length less than 10. What you will do, what is your action? Like length between 10 to 20 accepted, above 20 rejected, less than 10 rejected. Sampling procedure, I told you out of 100 pieces how many you want to check. Then we create an inspection plan like material quality and what you want to check. See, material is a quality. I am using this crush as a machine or a labor or a lab assistant to check the quality length. So you will assign that characteristic called length to this material, and accordingly when you create an inspection lot either manually or automatically, you will get the results recording screen in this way. See, results recording screen length, you will also find your 10 to 20 whatever you have specified, and you will maintain the result whatever you are getting, and then you evaluate and accept it, and then we will finally give the usage decision. So like this, I have all scenarios Word document with screenshots which I will be providing you. Audit inspection, service inspection, defects, certificate, all these things I will be giving it to you. So if you have any questions, you can still reach out to me with these details in this demo session. So there is no mediator, like there is no institute. It is this training will be given directly by a trainer. Okay, thanks.